Hacker who attacked Uber maybe is the same responsible for the big leak of GTA 6. Adobe purchases Figma. We also have the collapse of crypto mining. And the retirement of the Pentium brand by Intel. Fun fact for September 26. In 1973, the supersonic aircraft Concorde made its first crossing of the Atlantic, setting a speed record in the process. Leave your like, subscribe to know the main news of the day about technology, and let's get into the news. Well, the main suspect responsible for the leaks of GTA 6 is the same responsible for the attack on Uber. The criminal would have used the same method, obtaining information through the company's Slack and Confluence servers. And not only that, the hacker is trying to extort Rockstar in exchange for not exposing the game's source code, which is still in development. To prove the authenticity of this attack, several videos of the new game were exposed on the internet during this last weekend, but Rockstar and Take-Two have already excluded the vast majority. On last Monday, Rockstar confirmed the veracity of the leaks and stated that it will continue with the development of the game. However, delays in development may occur due to the situation. This information is from the Bleeping Computer website. One of the biggest collaborative design web platforms has been acquired by Adobe. According to Figma's co-founder and CEO, Dylan Field, says that the business opens up opportunities for incorporating new technologies into the platform, such as imaging, photography, illustration, video, 3D and font technologies, which are originally owned by Adobe. Adobe also states that it is committed to keeping Figma operating autonomously. The value of this negotiation was approximately $20 billion. And you? Do you also think this acquisition has been positive for Figma? This information is from the Adobe and Figma blogs. Linus Torvalds hopes that from version 6.1 onwards, Rust will be able to be used for driver development. The system is mainly written in C, with some parts in assembly. The biggest impediment, however, is the compilers. Cause the Linux kernel is compiled with GCC, but Rust is usually compiled with LLVM, which has good support for x86 and ARM, but is still in an experimental phase for other architectures. The information is from the Register website. After the recent transition of the Ethereum network, the profitability of mining digital currencies has collapsed. Among the 21 graphics cards of the current generation, being them the series, RX 6000 and RTX 30, only 5 are profitable now. But that's without taking into account costs such as depreciation. A calculation was performed based on current market rates, where it would take approximately 20 years to recover the investment with an AMD RX 6000 series card. Due to this, the used GPU market is expected to be flooded with offers in the coming months. If you're looking to buy a used or semi-new GPU, you might want to wait a bit. This information is from the Tom's Hardware website. Intel, along with ARM and Nvidia, are proposing the 8-bit floating point, FP8, specification. This specification has the potential to accelerate the development of technologies, such as computer vision and imaging systems, through the optimization of memory usage for both training and inference, that is, engineering and execution of these systems. The intention is that the new format will be free license and open source. This information is from the website TechCrunch. Well guys, after almost 30 years Intel decided to retire the Pentium brand. It seems that from 2023 the designation Intel processor will be used on notebooks with Pentium and Celeron architectures. Intel wants to focus the Core, Evo and V Pro brands on high-performance devices. This information is from the Verge website. The source code of the latest version of the encryption program used by the Lockbit gang was reportedly stolen and made publicly available by a team of rival hackers. The public representative of Lockbit, however, denies the invasion of its servers. The leak would have been committed by a disgruntled developer of the group. The situation would be a severe blow to the operation of Lockbit, making it now easier for other groups to use the program to launch their own attacks. The information is from the Bleeping Computer website. The RTX 40 series utilizes the Ada Lovelace architecture, offering up to 4 times more performance than the previous one. The RTX 6000 Ada has 48 GB of memory for commercial applications, such as 3D modeling and deep learning. Nvidia also launched the small Jetson Orin Nano card, aimed at robotics and edge computing applications with a capacity of 40 TOPS. Trillions of operations per second. The information is from the Nvidia and Techmundo website. In the first planetary defense mission, NASA's space probe will intentionally collide with an asteroid this Monday. The impact of the DART, double asteroid redirection test, with the asteroid Dimorphos, will evaluate whether the technique of kinetic impact can deflect the path of celestial bodies. The impact is scheduled to take place at 8:14 p.m. ET, with broadcast live on NASA's official YouTube channel. The information is from the space website. And that's it, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay up to date with the next news. See you next time.